Hello friends and potential friends. Well, Mom and I pulled a couple of garlic bulbs out last night and looks like this stuff is ready to come out of the ground. We've got two of them that we let the scapes grow, so we're saving those for seeds. We'll be leaving those in the ground. The rest of them need to come out before them squash take over that whole bed.
Tomatoes are looking good and the ground is still damp.
Those are the two that we pulled yesterday. One of them had a little bit of rot and one clove, but those are some nice looking bulbs. Oh, well, let's pull some garlic. You can use the kneeler thing if you want.
Well, you can use it because you're kneeling. I'm bending.
Oh, you shouldn't be bending so much. Okay, that's all of these.
Yeah, I think
We got one more here.
Oh, I'll look out of the way so you can get that.
Okay. And then we got the ones that are in amongst the squash.
They're hiding.
Now that one stays. And this one can come out. That's not bad.
Okay.
Where are those others? I may need to get my gloves. These things
Yeah, they're prickly.
prickly. Yeah. Let's see. There's one there. And the squash has grabbed hold of it. There it comes.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yep. Now, I think there was at least one more.
There were 4 of them, weren't there?
Oh, I hope not, because I don't see 4. I got one.
Oh, here's the, is this the one you gave?
I found a plant. kind of bent over.
Okay.
Might not be much to it, but it is garlic. Yep, there's two.
You got this one that was right here? That was right here?
I think so.
Oh, wait a minute. Here's something. Here's something here.
Yeah, that looks like grass. And this over here looks like grass. Oh. I don't see any more right here.
Oh, here's a white tag right here.
Yeah. There must be something right. Well, that one's speckled hound something or other.
Oh, okay.
Let's see, this looks like grass. Yeah. I think the tops may have died off on the...
Yeah, here's something here.
Let me come around there.
I don't know what it is. Got my fingers on it.
Oh, that's coming off of the vine. That's a tendril from the vine. I think they may have died off, the plants. Oh, there's one. I found one.
Hey, I think there's one more. Because there were four.
Okay, I found... Uh-oh. I gotta dig for that one. The bulb broke, or the thing broke off of it. There it is. Not real big, but it's garlic. And it was in next to this bell pepper label. Whew.
Well, if there's one more left in there, it'll come up next year.
Yeah. I don't see any more, but it may be that the top died off and it's just under the ground.
What's this?
That's another tendril from the fixing to grow a flower.
All right. You did good, Jack.
Well, you did good too.
Letting this garlic to last. I like this little guy.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna look through here
Something here.
one more time.
Right under there.
Here?
Here.
No, that's just coming off of the vine.
Okay. All right. Well, it's gonna stay in there because I can't see.
This might be one here. We're looking at the
there's
tag.
one. That's the last one.
Yeah, this one's pretty small, and the tops have all died off, but let's see what's under there. There it is.
That's about like what they were last year.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Successful harvest.
Good harvest.
Let's see what we've got here.
That's a nice harvest.
It is. Oh, it's heavy too. Hopefully everybody can see this. Now that is another successful harvest. Some of those are really nice looking. Yep, good job. That looks good. Now on to the next task, and we'll see you next time.